Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about accessing superclass method. The super keyword can be used to access the superclass variable, and also it can be used to access superclass methods. To access the superclass methods, we have to write super dot method name, and this way we can access the superclass version of the method. Like in example, we have one superclass A and one subclass B, where both superclass and the subclass has one method with the same name. Now to refer to the superclass version of the method, we have to write super dot the method name, and this way we can refer to the superclass version of the method. Like in example program, we have one superclass A which has one method, and we have one subclass which inherits the properties of class A, and both the superclass and subclass has one method with the same name. Now just writing the name of the method will refer to the subclass version of the method. Now to refer to the superclass version of the method, we can use the super keyword. So I can write super dot method, and this will refer to the superclass version of the method. So I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna compile and run the program, and you can see the output. We are able to access both the super and sub version of the method. So we can use the super keyword to access the super version of the method when both the superclass and the subclass has method with the same name. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.